Hi, Dan here at ReadyLIFT. I'm here today to introduce two new kits for the Jeep JL. Now, these custom wound coil springs provide 2.5 inches of lift on a Rubicon, clear a 37-inch tire, 3.5 inches of lift on a Sport and Sahara that can clear a 35. Part number 696827 provides 2.5-inch front and rear lift for the Rubicon JL. Part number 696835 provides 3.5-inch front and rear lift for the JL Sahara and Sport models. These great new coil kits feature linear spring rates for smooth compression through the suspension cycle and improved ride quality. These new coil spring lift kits provide increased ground clearance and allow for larger tires to increase clearance at the axles. Engineered bump stops facilitate max tire sizes. Rubicon models can fit up to a 37-inch tire, Sahara and Sport models can run up to a 35. The increased spring rates allows these coils to perform great off-road and hold up to added weight of accessories like winches, oversized spare tires, and aftermarket bumpers. These new coil spring lift kits by ReadyLIFT are the perfect way to get your Jeep up, clear the tires you need to have serious fun off-road. To learn more about these products, please visit ReadyLIFT.com, and as always, follow us on Facebook and Instagram.